How many minutes?
Well, they've been in the freezer, so we don't know for sure.
Oh, it could be like 20 minutes?
No.
5 minutes?
Okay.
You said 2 minutes one side, 1 minute another?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see.
So, saganaki, right?
I don't know what's happening, but I probably will want to see.
I have to bring it.
Hi, everybody. So we are having a Greek Fest dinner.
Oh, wait, which
Jack.
one?
Jack.
And so I'm going to go live. And
I'm doing live. Hey!
hey, live.
I'm live. Are you live?
I'm live.
Dual live.
So we're going to record Ken doing the saganaki.
Saganaki.
So here we go. I think it's just like a minute
And
per
look,
side.
here are 3 different, I'm going to go over
Oh,
here.
yeah, that's a good idea.
The 3 different feta cheeses, Greek, Danish, and Bulgarian. I'm kind of digging the Danish one.
Yeah,
Of course you are.
And these are from North Park Produce, which we love. Philip Fredrickson is digging in.
I did.
Of course I go for the Danish
Why would you say that?
because I'm half Danish.
Oh.
I'm going to be going back.
Okay, let's look and see what's going on because we've got quite a wild sky happening.
See, I'm following MaryBeth. Just copy
What's cooking? On location, next door.
Ooh, this looks delicious. I love how salty it
Where is it?
Ooh.
is. That looks... It's fast. You getting MaryBeth?
Hi. Hi, Megan.
Hi, MaryBeth.
Oh, yeah, you have to do the
You're
lemon.
live. Say hello. You're live. Hi. Greek Fest dinner.
Greek Fest.
Pour this brandy in.
Suela said thanks for the
We're
invite,
gonna
Mom.
bonfire it in just a second.
Whoa, let's rock and roll. That'll be awesome.
Wow, you're welcome anytime, Consuelo. I told you that before.
Well, the one thing I am nervous about is the palm
That's why I
fronds.
think I'm gonna
This is right here.
Hold the palm fronds, Mom, when it goes up.
Moses is right here.
nowhere near that.
Here's the hose.
Mom
I
has
think
the
I wanna-
hose in case it lights a palm tree on fire. So where are you going to do it to flame it up? In the pan?
Yeah, we're gonna do it in the pan.
Say hi to Sarah, everybody. Sarah Burke.
Hi, Sarah Bird.
It's ready.
It smells delish.
Let's do this.
Woo! Ooh, 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 ooh. And we say,
Opa!
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 Ooh!
Oh my God!
Wow.
Lemon.
Woo! Squeeze lemon!
All right.
Opa! That was brilliant. I think we need to cook that alcohol down just a couple more seconds, no?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Or no?
I think you
just a
do.
couple more, so the kids don't get it.
That was stressful.
That was pretty stressful.
No, that was cool.
So Ken, I'm gonna have to give you my bananas flambe recipe next and my cherry jubilee recipe next.
Bananas Foster.
Okay.
Woo!
I can burn anything.
Now we got to do the third piece. Okay.
Oh, get some of that good bits out of there. Yeah, get all the good.
Another one. We've got another one to do.
Okay, get all that yummy. Scrape up that cheese because we want to eat that.
Crispy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I saw this keto pizza today that was literally just all kinds of cheeses on a griddle. And then you add like your meats or veggies or whatever you want with your sauces. And then you take 2 spatulas out. Yeah.
Cheese crust. I've done it.
Oh, so good.
The cheese taco shells.
Oh, yes.
You hang them over their thing and then they shape like a taco shell.
Ooh, yum. I love anything cheese.
Yeah, me too.
We need to
I'll get something else. Are you going to do a shot? No, you sound like
I need one.
All right, I'm hot.
I'm just super worried because, whoa, that is super close to the tray.
Really, really big.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to say bye because I'm hot by the stove. I'll let you go first.
We don't want any
All
photographic evidence of the.
Well, no
wildfire.
fires. No fires. No, 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 no.
I think the odds of there being a fire over there are almost none.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right.
It doesn't flame up long enough. You know, green
That's my
leaves like that
defense.
tree.
Philip said there was going to be no fire.
Yeah.
Oh, we've
Yeah,
got
that was right
two
there.
attorneys in the house. Two attorneys. What are we doing here?
Bugs right there.
Where?
There's like spiders.
Where?
You just stepped on his knee.
All right, it's gone, Skylar.
I'm itchy too.
I just killed it.
I'm itchy, hot, and sweaty.
Well, then go inside.
Hey everybody, it's What's Cooking, and it's a little bit late because we were watching Gloria, who took over for Jay Rodriguez on Queer Eye for a Straight Guys show. Hilarious. And now we're doing a Greek-themed dinner next door at our neighbor Jan's, who we have COVID-friendlied with. Hey Mia, how are you? And we're about to fire up the second saganaki. So we got,
Do you have enough lemon, honey?
I've got 2 more wedges. That should be good.
okay,
Yeah, good call.
let me switch it over.
Get you a sucker.
I thought the same thing. I was like, not as much alcohol.
We were gonna use. We were only gonna use part of it. It was supposed to be for all 3 of them. But
Oh, so the flame might not be as intense the next time.
Where is it?
It's the 101. It's in Scottsdale, and it's
Like by Paradise Valley?
no, Paradise Valley is to the west of the 101. This is to the east. Of the
Yum.
don't
I
know,
can
in the
smell that.
YouTube videos, it was a little bit more golden than
Little
that,
bit.
but I think it
Like-
still tastes pretty
More
good.
near the Brewers area.
Melted cheese tastes good no matter what.
Right?
another flip on it if you want.
Yeah, after this minute, we'll flip it again and then fire
I'm
it
definitely
up.
going to want some of that crusty bits that are in there
Yeah,
too.
I've been putting some more.
Look at that.
There's
Yum, yum,
two
yum.
That I like, that we're gonna go see them both
So far.
so far. There's two that I so far, but like I want to make sure we love it, so
Yep.
I'm not worried about like going. This has to be it. So this is. the
You'll
one-
know when you walk in.
Oh yeah, like
You
I
will
have
know.
to like love it. So this isn't the one we're seeing, but this is
All
one
right.
of them we're seeing
We're
this
gonna
week.
flip it.
So this
Okay.
is
And we're gonna fire it.
Okay, gang. Flipping and firing.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Oh, that's going to be a good one.
And it has a.
Did it splatter you?
Yeah, it
Oh my gosh, I need some of that soft cheese.
Ready?
Okay.
It
Oh.
has a horse barn,
And no.
Oh no.
It's better.
Yeah, not as high.
It's better.
Not as high.
Perfect. Gotta let it
Woo.
let it flame long enough to burn off most of the alcohol.
Right.
Okay.
There it is.
Yum. Everybody hear that sizzle?
All right. Ready
All
for
right,
it?
everybody.
Yeah, push. Well, you know what? Let me push these 2 over. Or put it on that other one.
All right.
Put it on that other one.
Oh, that's the best part. The scraping up the bits part.
Man, that's beautiful.
Yeah, isn't it really pretty?
Like when I make grilled cheese sandwiches back in the day, I always put butter in the pan and Parmesan cheese first. Then I put the bread on
Well,
top
I'm
of
gonna
the
see tomorrow.
Parmesan cheese.
I
am
love
not
the
the least bit
size.
Greek,
I love
so-
the carrots.
Eat it
But
your own
kind of
risk.
Middle Eastern, right?
There's certain things that I don't
All right. There we go. Take it away.
love,
Take
but
these over
that I
like
think
Sweet. Okay, everybody, and it's What's Cooking.
Opa.
It's